Chemical exposure is a constant challenge in industrial environments. Oils, coolants, and solvents can break down standard cables fast, causing swelling, cracking, stiffening, leading to cable failure and unexpected downtime. Amphenol TPC wire and cable design solutions built to handle those conditions. Our Chem-Gard cables use high-performance fluoropolymer insulation and jackets that hold up against harsh chemicals and extreme temperatures. For abrasive applications that demand durability, Super-Trex features a rugged thermoset jacket engineered to resist tearing, abrasion, and chemical exposure without sacrificing flexibility. And to protect your connection points, our cable glands add secure, long-lasting reinforcement where failures often start. Grip Seal's cable glands and Kord-Gard strain relief are available in nylon, high-performance polymer, and stainless steel options. In chemical plants and other manufacturing processes that use chemicals around cable fittings, stainless steel offers superior resistance to corrosion, solvents, and acidic solutions while maintaining its structural integrity and seal. This isn't just a compliance requirement, it's a practical necessity. Without proper strain, relief, and chemical-resistant sealing, cables fail earlier, equipment becomes unsafe, and downtime becomes unavoidable. Industrial environments are tough. Your cables should be tougher. With Amphenol TPC, you get performance that lasts, even when chemicals are part of the process.